also young people, no one died, mostly. That's why no cemetery in the city. But it was very, it was not usual city for the Soviet Union times, because it was a beautiful nuclear power station, and Soviet Union invested a lot of money to nuclear power station, and they have got everything here: good food, clothes, apartments, good salaries. Not like in the rest of Soviet Union cities, because the rest was very bad and very poor. But everything was. This city was built especially for nuclear power station, and engineers, high qualified specialists, so they have got everything. Even the supermarkets, all the central square, the swimming pool, yes, and you have already part of the they have opened the picture first, but 3 days before.
You can find everything in the
there are some furniture, but you have to understand, because it was not too much furniture during the Soviet Union times. It was only too much. So there are something left, some sofas, some cupboards, something. Not too much. Yeah, it was allowed. It was allowed. Yes, when they washed the city from the helicopters with the soap, with the water. They washed every building, because they planned that people maybe come back here to live. That's why they cut it all the grounds, many places. They washed, in natural sense of this word, they washed every building with the water and soap. And after, when they finished to build the confinement and took this area, they allowed people to come back and to take the furniture, everything what they want, if it is not contaminated. And but some people they came back, some people they didn't come back, and after a period of time and then they said it's okay, everything what rest here, it's free. It belongs to no one. That is why after something was stolen, maybe. Да, то, что касается вот, почему как бы, да,